Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. This is from the July 16th practice. This is song 3. In this video I will be doing the first half, and another video will come up with the second half. Okay? So the first half is a different tempo than the second half. Its tempo goes really slow. So keep that in mind when you're practicing. Go at that tempo. Take the counts. It is slow. So we obviously didn't learn the ending of song 2. So we're skipping that, but the way you're going to end song 2 is like this. So essentially you're starting song 3 like this. Upward angle, left hand is under, right hand is over. Left under, right over. This is how you're going to be starting song 3. Okay, so this is how you start. This is where you are. Okay? The first is 12 counts. You're going to bring the flag down, turn to your left, turn over your left shoulder, and then turn to the front for 4 counts. The flag, notice, isn't here. It's cradled across my body, angled down to the left. It's a little fast. You have to do that, okay? It's a quick turn. 1, 2, 3, 4. A little fast. To cradle it, you just take your left hand, bring your left hand up and over. Okay, so again, to cradle it, left hand up and over. Also, I want you to note, you don't keep your hand at the tab. You slide your hand up the pole so that you're about 3 hands in from the tab. Okay? You'll need that for your next move. So as you're cradling it and turning, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. You want to be like this. Then you're going to do this big motion with both arms up. 5, 6, 7, 8. A big motion. 5, 6 in front, 7, bump 8. So this part was tripping some people up. So what it is a flag to the left. I bring it up with both arms in a circle to the right, and I curve it back and front. What I think I'll do maybe to make it easier for people is we'll curve it back to where it started and then bring it out. We'll go, starts here, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 7. We'll do that and then bring it forward 8. That might help people, okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm curving it and then bringing it forward. So all I did was just bump it out. Like, this is very awkward, right? Bumping it out, okay? 5, 6, curve 8, bring it up 9, down 10, grab 11, my thumb is down, slide your hand 12. Downward angle, it's actually touching the ground. Not like this, okay, angle. And notice my hands are toward the end of the pole. Left hand is over the pole cap, right hand is about 3 hands in from that. Angled. Not an angle like this, just kind of an angle from your belly button down. Okay? So that, again, you're here on 8. Thumb up 9, thumb down 10. Or sorry, you're here 8, 9, 10, sorry, 11. So both my thumbs are down. This hand we grabbed. And then I'm pushing it down and sliding my right hand under it. Okay? 9, 10, 11, 12. I notice I slide my hand. I don't let go because then there's no support. The flag will just drop to the ground. So I'm sliding my hand so that it's not, if I were to let go, it would just drop. And I couldn't, I'd have to pick it back up again. Doing it this way, I slide my hand down so it doesn't just drop. Okay? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay? That's 12 counts. Now we're going to do a set of 16. I have branches above me, so I'll do my best. But you want to make this really big. That's why your hands are at the bottom of the pole. You want to extend your hands all the way up. 1, 2, 3 over 4, 5, 6, 7 over 8. Back where you started. Very slow. So by the halfway point, so 2 is straight up, 4 is down. 6 is straight up, 8 is down. So halfway down, halfway back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pretty easy. Okay, let's finish that set. I'm going to move over just a little bit. I'm going to move up. Let me actually move my phone over a little bit. That might actually help. Okay, that should solve the problem. Okay, we'll see. Still some branches. Here, you bring it up. 9, both hands, dip, 10, 11, 12. Okay? Again, make it look big. Big extension. And notice, I was noticing some people kind of doing this. I'll do it from the side. They kind of were like hovering over the ground like this instead of going like this. I want it like behind your back. I don't want it out, I want it down. So you're here, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 9, 10, 11, sorry, up 9, 10, 11 is the dip, 10, 11, 12. Rotating my wrist. Then I'm going to let go of my right hand, still keeping this up. 13, 14, 15, bring it over flat, 16. So what that part is, you're here on 12, you're here, that was 12. You're bringing it, instead of behind you, in front of you, letting go, doing a wrist break up. Okay, so notice, that's what it's called, wrist break, because look at it, it looks like I'm all messed up here. Really, it's about to fall off my thumb. So I re-grabbed it as it was coming up, and then I just went flat. I was just already going in that direction, I just helped guide it. So we're here on 12. We did it behind the back, then we're going to go in front of the body. You let go, and you just let the flag fall using your thumb, right? Oops. Using your thumb, you let it fall, but the momentum of the fall will actually bring the flag up. And that's when you re-grab it underneath. And then you just bring it over flat. So again, let go, 13, 14, 15, 16. And I don't stop, though. It's all one motion. 13, 14, 15, 16. Notice how it's all, I didn't like pause at all. I was just guiding the flag. It was already going that way. I was just adjusting my hands to accommodate the flag. Another key thing to do when you're trying to get it to go up for 15 is I actually bring my left arm down. So it's up, and then so when the flag's going down, my arm is up. When the flag's going up, I crank my arm down to actually bump it up. Okay, that helps you. Momentum helps. So doing this really helps because it's already swinging. But I also push my arm down so that it gives that flag a little bit of extra oomph to go up. So use the momentum of that behind your back to do the in front of the body. So that's set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay? I was counting a little fast because I just wanted to get through the set. Okay? So now we have 16. Now the next set is a 20. It's going to be a move 16 and a hold 4, because on that hold 4 we're going to do a big toss. So you don't have to march for that part. So here on 16, there's another set of 20. Okay? We're going to bring it up, down, flat. Left hand over, right hand under. So again, you're here. 1, flat. I'm re-grabbing my left hand over. The right hand is still under, it hasn't changed. Then I do a bottom cone. Bottom cone. Okay? What I'm also going to do is, as I do that bottom cone, I'm going to slide my hand up a little bit. Okay, like we did earlier. Sliding my hand up as I do something, right? 3, 4. Bottom cone, it's a little awkward because my hand is under, but I'm just doing a normal bottom cone. Slid my hand up. Bring it up. 5, cross 6, turn to the back, left foot 7, right foot 8. Okay. The reason we're stepping like that is because we are marching for this part, so you have to be in step. So when you do this, realistically, all this is marching, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, left, right, left. So you really start the turn on count 6, but that's the right foot, because that's an even number. And then finish the turn, left foot 7, right foot 8. And then you're facing the back, okay? So again, you're here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 brings it up, and then you start crossing and turning. 6, and then 7, 8. It's all simultaneous, right? 5, 6, 7, 8. So you want to be kind of gradual with that as well. You don't want to just cross and then turn. You want to do it at the same time. So it's up, and then the flag is gradually going down. Now it's all the way down by the time I get to the back. So it's gradual. Cross, gradually angle it down, okay? So now you're to the back for 8. I'm going to turn around so you can watch what I'm doing, but this part is to the back, okay? You just turn to the back on count 8. I will turn around so you can follow along with it. Okay, I just turned to the back. All you got to do is bring it up. 9, 10, let go and re-grab count 11. Hold count 12. Okay, so we're getting ready to do a toss. So you're here on 8, very easy. Up 9, 10, let go, re-grab 11. Okay, count 12 as a hold, but also if your flag is kind of messed up, it might get a little twisted. It's like one count to kind of like shake it out and get it ready without being crazy with it, just very discreetly. Like, oh, I have to twist it a little bit. Okay, you're to the back. 12, and you're going to go 13, 14, again, very slow, and then go back to the front. Remember, left foot, right foot, because we're marching still. Left foot, right foot, 15, 16. The next count is a toss, but you just finished moving. 15, 16, you got to your spot. So as soon as you get to your spot, you're here, and then you're about to release, but you're not moving anymore, okay? So again, you're here on 8, 9, 10, 11, hold 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. The money hand toss, right? The double one. So we've went over that before, okay? And I will try my best to show you. There is a tree, and it's very windy, but it is the money hand toss. So I'll do it from this angle so you can see. You're here at the end of the last set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, hold 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, back to the front. Okay? So you're from count 8. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 is to the back, come around 15, 16. So when you come around, you go to your left with the flag, but then you go over the right shoulder. Okay? So again, to the left with the flag, and you turn over the right shoulder. Making sure you step with your left foot though, because that is count 15. And we're still marching. Okay? Here on count 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 to the front. Okay? Now to end this set is going to be toss. So you're going to release on 17. This is the release point. Normally, it would be 4 counts. But because the counts are so slow, the flag will finish spinning more quickly, counting-wise, right? So it's actually only going to be 3 counts because these are slower counts. You're going to release on 17 and catch on 19. Super slow. 17, 18, 19. Normally it'd be 1, 2, 3, 4. But that's about the same amount of time. 3 slow counts and 4 normal counts equal about the same time, which is the time the flag needs to rotate and get back to your hand. Now some of you were doing this the other day, the flag wasn't getting high enough and you were rotating too quickly, so you were catching it early. You got to make sure you extend this toss. It's a lofty toss. It's not about speed at this one, it's just about execution. So make the toss float in the air. Okay? Slow and controlled. So you're here. 16. Let's see if I can do this in frame. 17, 18. Oops. Nope, cannot do it. Let me maybe move over one more step. I'll be in the sunlight, but then I'll bring you back. Just so you can see. I think I should be okay here. I might move over a little bit. The sun is in my eyes, so bear with me. So you came around. 16, 17, 18, 19. That was better, okay? Nice and slow. And then you bring it down, 20. Okay? Release 17, catch straight up 19. Okay, I'll bring myself back now. Under the shade. You're on 19, and you're going to bring it down 20. The flag is already coming down, right? You're catching it, it's going this way. You're really just catching it and bringing it down. It's already going that way, okay? And I want to do a squat. So make sure your legs aren't too close together because then you can't do it. Shoulder length apart, so you can bend and do a nice squat, head comes down. The sabers are doing the same thing. So I want to make sure everyone looks the same. Okay, everyone's doing it. Okay? So, you catch it on 19. 20. Head comes down, drop your body. Okay? And then you're about to come out of that and continue marching. Now we have another set of 16. Okay, so the next set of 16. So it's all simultaneous, just so you know. So you did 19, 20, 1. So you're basically catching it, bringing it down, and going up. It's just going across two different sets. Catch 19, down 20, next set is 1. Then you come up because you're moving, so you have to come out of that squat, okay? Okay, so you're here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm grabbing it. My elbows are out. My left hand is under my right hand. Both my thumbs are down. Okay? So we're here. 1, 2, no, I'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, 1, 2, dip 3, up 4, down 5. That's when I re-grab it. I let go now with my right hand. Up 6. I mean, don't leave your hand up here, but I'm just showing it. Grab it 7. My thumb is up. Grab it 8 at forehead level. My left hand is under, my right hand is over. The thumbs are pointing that way. Okay? So again, that part. 1, 2, dip 3, up 4, re-grab 5. Left hand is under, both thumbs are down. Let go. 6, re-grab 7. Okay? Pull is up, my right thumb is up. Twist it. Keep twisting it to the left. It's going to the left, the pull is. Keep twisting it. 8, and re-grab it. It's flat, not above your head, but just at forehead level. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See how it's all going the same way? I'm actually stopping it on 8 and redirecting it. But all of that, from the toss, is all going the same direction. Okay, so here on 8, you're going to do a finger twirl. So when you get here on 8, you take your 2 fingers, your index and middle finger, and put it like that, with like a V. Then you're going to pull the pole toward your head with the left hand, and then push the silk away from you at your right. 9, 10. Okay, here. 9, 10. So it rotates in your right hand, then it comes to your right palm, so the right hand is under, the left hand becomes over now. And you bring it down to your belly button area, okay? About midsection. So it's up high, 9, 10. I kind of use my left hand to really pull. 9, 10. Okay, left hand over, right hand under at your midsection. Then you do another bottom cone. 11, 12, up 13, 14, 15, 16. I'll go over that again, but I just want to note that this is the second time we're doing a bottom cone, and we're doing a wrist break, and but earlier we did that, but we did it with other parts of the set, so people were getting kind of confused at that earlier. It is a little tricky. We're repeating some of the same stuff, just not in the same order. So I'm combining different things with other things, like the wrist break and the bottom cone. So just really focus when you practice, because they're not in the same set. Okay, this is a different set. Some people were getting confused because it's very similar. So please really focus when you practice. So again, you're here on 10, do a bottom cone, 11, 12, and then a wrist break. Like we did one earlier. It's almost exactly the same. 13, 14, 15, 16 is a hand flip. So that one's a little different, right? You do your cone. Okay, it's a little awkward because the right hand's under. 11, 12, 13, 14, I'm flat, and then I re-grab. So that one's a little different. The one I did before was I grabbed it up and brought it over. That was that one. This one is a little different. Same wrist break, I'm just ending it differently. Same exact almost pretty much exact count. Right here, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I grab it, my right hand over, and it's flat again. And then my wrist is like all messed up here, so I just flip my left hand over for 16. 16. So I'm really holding that count. All I'm doing is flipping my hand. No flag work. 13, 14, 15, 16. And what I do to get it flat, if you'll notice, right, 11, 12, 13, 14, I really crank my left hand down. Again, I crank my hand down so that the flag can go up. It's up, it's up, it's up. Crank it to get it down. I crank it down so I can get it there. And then I want to get there faster because I have to be down and flat by 15 with the re-grab with the right hand, 16 with the left hand. 11, 12, 13, 14, grab, grab. Okay, we still have one more set left. Now, there's a front group and a back group. Front group does the next set. Back group, you're done. Back group is G8, 9, and 10. So Star, Maddie, and Ren, you three. I think I mixed up your numbers. But you three don't have to do the next part. So Ren, you weren't here. Everything I just did, you need to know. You don't need to do the next part because you three or a different section. So you guys actually, like section of the field, I mean. So you guys actually just got to the prop. So you're behind it already. Whereas the other half of the flags, they're almost behind it, but I don't want them standing there. Okay? So the back group, you're done. The front group, which is Emma F, Atlas, and Kendall, you guys are in the front. You guys just have to do the next set of 12. It's really easy, okay? So you just ended here, right? Both hands are over, right? You ended, over, over. Now you're gonna go to the back because the prop is behind you. Well, at this point, I think the prop might be, yeah, the back of the prop is behind you. So I want you to actually turn to the back and finish the set facing back field because you're going to the prop. You're going to do a flourish. Push the flag to your right. Up, down, finger, twirl. Okay, that's 1, 2, 3, 4. So again, you're here. You're pushing it up. Okay. As you bring it down, you put it between your two fingers, and then you roll it up between the two fingers and flat at your midsection. Left hand over, right hand is under because it just rolled over your hand. I'm almost done. Again. 1, fingers, 2, on the down, using the momentum of it going down, it's going to continue up, roll up, 3, flat, 4. I'll do it from this way. 1, fingers 2, roll 3, flat 4. Both hands are over. 1, 2 with the fingers, up 3, rolling, 4, flat. Now left hand is over, right hand is under. I will turn around so you can see what I'm doing because you're actually facing the back for this part. So you just did 1, 2, 3, 4. Left hand is over, right hand is under. You're facing the back now. You're going to hold, count 5. Then cross your arms, 6, 7, very slow. All I did was bring my left hand to my right and my right hand under to my left. 6, 7, hold, count 8. Don't forget to hold. Bring it up. 9, 10, 11, 12, and you could turn and face because now you're behind the prop. So I'll do it both ways, okay? So I'll do that part again. You're here 4, hold 5, 6, 7, hold 8, up, cross, done. Up, cross, and then you're behind the prop. You're done. So I'll do it both ways that last set. It's a set of 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, hold 5, 6, 7, hold 8, 9, cross, 11, 12. Uncross. You cross and then uncross. Okay? So that's that. I'll do it this way. I think did I do this already? I'll do it this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. I think I just did it the same way twice. What was doing right? Yeah, I gotta do it this way. Did I just do it this way? 1, Okay, I'll do it this way then. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Losing my mind, sorry. Okay, so like I said, that part, once you do the 1, 2, 3, 4, you're facing the back, okay? So that is that for the beginning of song 3, those 5 sets, 12, 16, 20, 16, and then for your group, it's 12. Okay, so please get that done and watch the next video.